CPA marketing stands for cost per action. It's a type of affiliate marketing where you earn money by promoting other people's products or services. The key difference is you get paid when someone takes a specific action, not just for making a sale. This action could be anything from signing up for a free trial to filling out a form or downloading an app. CPA marketing is a great way to make money online because it's relatively low risk. You don't need to create your own product or worry about shipping or customer service. Plus, there are countless CPA offers available across various niches, so you can find something that interests you and your audience. Whether you're a blogger, social media influencer, or just starting with online marketing, CPA marketing can be a lucrative opportunity. This essay will guide you through the process of getting started, finding profitable offers, and maximizing your earnings. Let's dive in. The first step in your CPA marketing journey is to find a profitable offer. This means choosing a product or service relevant to your audience and pays a decent commission. When selecting a CPA offer, consider these factors. Firstly, think about your target audience. What are their interests and needs? What problems are they facing? Choosing an offer that aligns with your audience's interests will make it easier to promote. Secondly, research the CPA network and offer carefully. Look for networks with a good reputation and offers with high conversion rates and payouts. You can find CPA networks through online searches or by joining affiliate marketing communities and forums. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with different offers. What works for one person may not work for another. The key is continuously testing and optimizing your campaigns to find what performs best for you. Once you've chosen a profitable offer, it's time to start driving traffic to your affiliate link. Traffic refers to the people who visit your website, blog, or social media page. There are countless ways to drive traffic, each with pros and cons. One popular method is paid advertising. This involves paying for ads on platforms like Google, Facebook, and Instagram. Paid advertising can be highly effective, but it's important to set a budget and track your results carefully. Another option is to leverage your existing audience. If you have a blog, website, or social media following, you can promote your CPA offers to them. Just be sure to disclose your affiliate relationships and only promote products or services you believe in. Other traffic sources include search engine optimization, email marketing, and social media marketing. SEO involves optimizing your website or blog to rank higher in search engine results pages. Email marketing involves collecting email addresses from potential customers and sending them promotional emails. Social media marketing involves promoting your CPA offers on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Tracking and optimizing your campaigns is crucial for maximizing your CPA earnings. By tracking your results, you can see what's working and not, allowing you to make necessary adjustments. Start by setting up conversion tracking. This involves using a tracking tool to track how many people are clicking on your affiliate links and completing the desired action. Most CPA networks provide their own tracking tools, or you can use a third-party tool like Google Analytics. Once you're tracking your results, analyze the data regularly. Look for patterns and trends. For example, you might find that a particular traffic source is driving a lot of clicks, but few conversions. This could indicate that the traffic source is not well targeted to your offer, or that your landing page is not optimized for conversions. Based on your analysis, optimize your campaigns for better performance. This might involve tweaking your ad copy, targeting a different audience, or changing your landing page design. Remember, CPA marketing is a continuous learning process. By consistently tracking and optimizing your campaigns, you can stay ahead of the competition and maximize your earnings.